Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 protein powders in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the taste, performance, and value of the leading protein powder that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Protein Powder in Cocoa Pebbles flavor. This protein powder is a favorite among athletes. Let's explore its standout features. With 25 grams of protein per serving, including 5.5 grams of BCAAs and 2.6 grams of leucine, it supports muscle growth and recovery effectively. Containing less than 1 gram of fat and sugar per serving, it's a healthy option for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Scientifically formulated for fast digestion, this hydrolyzed whey protein isolate ensures quick nutrient delivery to your muscles, perfect for post-workout recovery. Enjoy the nostalgic and delicious Cocoa Pebbles flavor. It makes your protein shake not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty. Athletes everywhere are shouting yabba dabba do. With 71 servings in a 5-pound pack, it's a long-lasting and effective supplement for your fitness journey. In conclusion, Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Protein Powder combines high protein content, low fat and sugar, fast absorption, and a delicious flavor. Perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. Number 4. The Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder in Vanilla Ice Cream flavor. This protein powder is a top choice for fitness enthusiasts. Let's explore its standout features. Featuring 24 grams of blended protein per serving, this powder includes whey protein isolate, concentrate, and peptides. It supports lean muscle mass with unmatched quality. Packed with over 5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs, it helps build lean and strong muscles. Perfect for enhancing your workout recovery. With 3 to 4 grams of carbs, 1 to 3 grams of sugar, and 1 to 1.5 grams of fat, this gluten-free powder is a healthy addition to your diet. Enjoy without guilt. The instantized formula improves mixability, preventing lumps and clumps. Blend it smoothly into your shakes for a hassle-free experience. Packaging may vary, but the trusted quality remains the same. Optimum Nutrition ensures you get the best protein powder for your fitness journey. In conclusion, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder Vanilla Ice Cream flavor combines high-quality protein, excellent mixability, and great taste. Perfect for anyone looking to boost their nutrition, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. Number 3. The Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder, Vanilla Bean. This protein powder is perfect for shakes, smoothies, and more. Let's explore its standout features. Packed with 21 g of organic plant-based protein, this blend includes peas, brown rice, and chia seeds. It features low net carbs and 6 g of prebiotic fiber for gut support. This vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO protein powder is free from soy, carrageenan, lactose, artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. Enjoy a clean and natural supplement. Third-party verified, this product is certified USDA organic and plant-based. Mix with water, almond milk, or oat milk, or blend into a delicious shake or smoothie. You can also add it to oats or baked goods for a protein boost. Ideal for men and women, whether you're working out, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, or need an on-the-go meal replacement. It fits seamlessly into any diet regimen. In conclusion, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder Vanilla Bean combines clean ingredients, high protein content, and versatility. Perfect for anyone looking to enhance their nutrition, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. Number 2. The POWERLIFE Tony Horton High Impact Grass-Fed Whey Protein. This unique blend is perfect for muscle nourishment and strength. Let's explore its standout features. This whey protein combines 3,000 milligrams of HMB, vitamins D3, and digestive enzymes. It nourishes your muscles, supports strength, and preserves lean muscle, even on rest days. Whey protein supports healthy muscle growth, while HMB and vitamin D3 maintain lean muscle mass. It's perfect for enhancing your fitness journey. Chromium transports amino acids to your muscles, while Hydrolyzed ensures smooth digestion. Chlorella adds antioxidants for whole-body wellness, making this blend incredibly beneficial. This whey protein blend is non-GMO, hormone and antibiotic-free, and manufactured in the USA. It guarantees a high-quality, healthy supplement for your routine. Mixes well with water or your favorite beverage. Enjoy it in smoothies for a delicious and convenient way to boost your nutrition. In conclusion, POWERLIFE Tony Horton High Impact Whey Protein offers a powerful, nutritious, and easy-to-use blend. Perfect for supporting muscle growth and overall wellness, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. Number 1. The Premier Protein Powder Vanilla Milkshake. This protein powder is perfect for those looking to pack in nutrition with a delicious taste. Let's explore its standout features. This vanilla-flavored protein powder delivers indulgent taste like creamy vanilla ice cream. Enjoy a delightful and nutritious addition to your daily routine. With 30 g of protein per serving, this powder provides all the essential amino acids. 100% whey protein helps feed your muscles and curb hunger effectively. Enjoy guilt-free nutrition with just 1 g of sugar, 3 g of carbs, 150 calories, and low fat. It's also soy-free and gluten-free, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Each tub includes 17 servings and a scoop. Simply add water for a smooth, decadent post-workout recovery shake that's quick and easy. Mix, bake, and blend. Use this protein powder to recreate your favorite smoothies, pancakes, muffins, cookies, donuts, brownies, or protein bars. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, Premier Protein Powder Vanilla Milkshake combines delicious flavor, high protein content, and versatile use. Perfect for anyone looking to boost their nutrition, it's a fantastic addition to your diet. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.